Hello and welcome to Happy Handicrafts. In this video we're going to learn how to make a Valentine's Day crochet heart that we're going to make into a bookmark. So I'm kind of excited today to introduce you to a master crocheter. This very gifted crafter taught himself to crochet just a few years ago when he was only about 11 years old. He has proceeded to make hundreds of projects ever since, including many that he has sold. Meet my son Clark. He's going to be taking you step by step through this project today, so grab your hook and yarn and come join us. Before we get started, I wanted to mention that you're probably going to see Clark doing things slightly different than I do. I do believe there is so much value in watching other talented people and maybe trying their way of doing things. You may find that some things may work better for you, so don't be afraid of experimenting to find what works best for you. Now, this Valentine's Day crochet heart bookmark works up very quickly, so if you were thinking of making several for a class or friends, I think it's totally doable and it's a great unique option. We're not offering a pattern for this because it's just so simple. I'll put the steps in the video and on my blog, so if you need to see something written, you can find it there and I'll link to that below. And that's our crocheted heart bookmark. Now go make a ton of them and give them away for Valentine's Day. But before you leave, be sure to subscribe so that you don't lose us. We've got tons of great projects coming up and you don't want to miss a single one. See you soon.